welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make avocado chocolate mousse. Like other mousses, this does not require any cream. The avocado itself is thick enough, and this does not require hand beater. Only a mixer is needed. This mousse is very easy to make and a rich dessert to serve your guests. So as that said, let's see how to make it. So today I'll be using Agar Agar. For those who don't know, it is a Chinese grass which is used for thickening. It looks like this. It is also sold in the powdered form. You could use that also. So now I have took 6 strips of Agar Agar, and I'm going to cut them with a scissor in 1-inch length. Friends, if you're a vegan, you could use this Agar Agar. If you're non-vegetarian, you could use Gelatin. It's made up of animal fat, so I was concerned about it. And then if you're a vegetarian, you could simply beat 1 egg white until stiff peaks and later add it to the mousse instead of Agar Agar. So there's no excuse. Mousse is for everyone. Everyone can make it. So now to that I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of normal water. Now you should leave it for 15 minutes to soak so it becomes soft and hydrated. So once it is done, I'm going to add the Agar Agar to 125 milliliters of warm water. Keep the flame in sim and mix it until the Agar Agar strips are fully dissolved. Not even a single bit is seen. This is a very important step. It should be fully dissolved. Once that's done, you could keep it aside. Next, I'm going to simply melt 3 cubes of dark chocolate in a double boiler. You can also use normal milk chocolate. So once it's melted like this, nice and silky, you can remove it from the heat. Next, I'm going to take a medium-sized avocado and I'm going to chop them and add them in the grinder. Now let's give them 2-3 pulses. So once they're nicely pureed like this, let's add in our chocolate we had melted earlier. We're going to add all of them. Friends, in this recipe, chocolate is very important. If you don't like chocolate, you could reduce the amount of chocolate used because it enhances the taste. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of fresh honey. Friends, honey always goes well with avocados. You could also add sugar. So next, I'm going to use the fat of coconut milk. You can take few pieces of coconut, grind them nicely and take the milk out and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. And then use it. Or if you're in a hurry, you could just use the thick milk of coconut instead of the fat. So now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of coconut fat. Now I'm going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of the Agar Agar mixture we prepared earlier. And then I'm going to close the lid of the mixer and grind it nicely. Those who are using egg whites, they can add the egg whites into this mousse right now. And that's it, our tasty mousse is ready. So now I'm going to transfer this delicious mousse into a piping bag. I'm going to use the star-shaped nozzle for this. So now I'm just going to fold the piping bag outwards. Friends, don't fill more than half the level of a piping bag or else it would explode. Now I hope you could see the hole. So over here I have filled with our delicious mousse. So I'm just going to twist it a little bit. And that's it, our mousse is ready to be piped. You could take any glass of your choice and at any design, it's your wish, you could pipe the mousse. Or if you don't have a piping bag, you could simply scoop up the mousse into a glass and decorate it. It's all our own creativity. So this is a very easy dessert which needs very little time to make and is an amazing chocolate dessert. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.